What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today, we are still thinking about them babies. My Mini Babies Series 2 is out with new little squishy babies and furniture and accessories. But some of the items are a little small for our 1/6 scale world. So, let's take a look at some Barbie stuff that we might be able to use with the babies. Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc came out with the Nap and Nurture Nursery a while back. The copyright date on this playset says 2018. It was around $30 to $40 when it came out. We get a white crib with a plastic mattress. It has a sculpted ruffle underneath. There's a shelf for storage, a changing area with a faux drawer. While the frame of the bed is white, we do have a lot of other colors like blue and turquoise, hot pink, yellow, lighter pink. We got a hot pink bottle warmer, a blue bottle, a pink bottle, a lavender tub of wipes. I do like that the wipe can come out, and it's made of fabric. We have a cut piece of fabric with a blue, yellow, and orange print for a blanket, a pink rocking horse, a blue and pink bouncy chair, with orange and purple toys hanging down, a pink and blue mobile with toys hanging down that can be used on the floor or attached to the crib. We have a pink bear, so it's a pretty colorful playset. We also got a Skipper doll and 2 Barbie babies. Barbie babies are kind of similar in size to my Mini Babies, but their heads are larger. But even though this playset comes with a Skipper doll, the height is pretty good with a classic Barbie. And we can totally use it with My Mini Baby. Series 2, My Mini Baby can use a Barbie bottle. But what about a vintage Barbie playset? Yes, I've been on eBay again and picked up the Barbie Decor Collection Nursery set from 2005. We get sweet baby things, a nursery room for baby, a working mobile, but the Barbie is not included. However, we can see other playsets that were available at this time, like this kitchen and this living room set. This arrived with the box a little bent. Yeah, that's what it looked like when I picked it up. But as I'm taking it out of the box, it looks like the playset itself is okay. We do have a few degraded rubber bands, but that can be expected. And now I have to spend a little time cleaning things up. I washed the blanket with a little soap and water and washed off the residue from the other pieces. Then we just have to assemble the bouncer, which is white and lavender. We do get a tiny little Barbie baby with this playset, which has 5 points of articulation. It can move at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. It has a fabric diaper that velcros in the back. This baby is a lot smaller than the Barbie babies we often get with playsets today. But today's Barbie baby can fit on the bouncer. And it does rock. We get a dresser with a changing table. It's white with green, yellow, and pink drawers. Lavender heart-shaped knobs. The bottom drawer actually opens. The drawer is divided, but I like that we get a little storage. The top of the table is lavender with a sculpted quilt. And we have some scalloped edges at the top and bottom, which I think is a fun detail. It's a good height next to a classic Barbie. And again, we're getting a lot of colors, but since they're pastel, it kind of softens the look. I think the changing table works with a My Mini Baby. We also get 2 bottles. They're lavender and one looks like baby powder, and I'm guessing the other could be lotion. We get a white bottle warmer and a white bottle, and the bottle can fit inside. The bottle looks like a good size for My Mini Baby. We also get a set of toy keys. All the keys are individual pieces in yellow, pink, and white. We get a little stacking toy. It has stars. It's lavender, yellow, and white, and the pieces are removable. And it wobbles. We get a green colored rattle. I think this is a yellow rattle. And we get another yellow toy, which might be a teething ring. And y'all, check out this teeny tiny dollhouse. It's a pink salmon color, and it does say Fisher Price right there on the front. I don't know if you can see that. but it's right there. This little house can open and it's blank on the inside. But I think it's still pretty cute, and I like all the mini toys we're getting with this playset. We get a Barbie chair, that's lavender. The feet are a light wood color. There's a sculpted texture on the chair. I like the detail on the arms. The chair is not finished in the back. The seat is at about 2 inches, and the highest point on the back of the chair is around 5. I do think it sits a little low, and the seat is kinda shallow. But I like the design, and I think it could be pretty cute in a doll space. We get a white crib with decorative legs. I think that's a nice touch. It has a canopy at the top, and we do get some purple tulle that is tied to the crib with yellow ribbons. I like this little detail in the front. The mattress is lavender, the same color as the chair. Here it is next to a Barbie. I would have liked it if it was a little larger, but I think we can still use it with a My Mini Baby. I like all the decorative elements, and if space is an issue, then the smaller size is a plus. The 2018 crib is taller and gives the baby more space inside, but I personally like the vibe of the 2005 crib. And I like the furniture items that it comes with because I feel like we could really create the scene of a miniature nursery. And of course, you could always go with a DIY. We made this nursery in a wall box in this video. You know I'm about to open this capsule, right? In a previous video, we opened 10 My Mini Baby Series 2 capsules priced at $12.99. This is a heavier capsule. In the comments, some of you said that a heavy capsule with no rattle will have twins. Do you hear rattle? I think I kinda do. But if this is another crib, I think I'm okay with that, because I kinda wanna make a larger playpen. So let's see what's inside of this heavy capsule with a faint rattle. I was hoping for another crib, but it's a pool, and it's a double. Well, I do like that I now have more than one swim diaper. Let's take the crib that I already have in my collection and the one that I turned into a small playpen, pull them apart, connect the pieces of both cribs together. To make it larger, this is 8 pieces instead of 6. I cut a cardboard circle that can fit inside, cover it with felt and fabric, then place it inside to make a larger playpen for the dollhouse. So our My Mini Baby has more room to move around. Or like some of you said in the comments, a puppy. So today we took a look at Barbie nurseries from 2018 and 2005. And I almost forgot that the 2005 playset does come with a mobile that we can attach to the crib, and it spins. Let us know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, the one from now or then. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few Barbie nurseries. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!